Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are studying hard, right? You just go through each and every lecture which we are studying, which we are teaching you. Study it properly and give us a positive feedback. If you have any questions related to the topic we are teaching, you can ask. Okay? Thank you. Well, we will focus on the next part of our reflection of light, as we were teaching science, and among that reflection of light. In the last lecture we have seen what is reflection of light and these 6 basic terms which were included in that reflection of light. Well, the next part is there are some some laws are there in reflection of light. So today we will learn those laws of reflection. So our subtopic is laws of reflection. You must have learned and heard about certain laws in science. So in this light, laws of reflection are there. So for this purpose, we will again draw a diagram. This is a reflecting surface. This will be angle of incidence. This will be angle of reflection. This is as the point of as the incident ray falls here, this will be point of incidence, which is represented by O, and perpendicular drawn to this point of incidence is called as normal, which is represented by N. And suppose these are M and P, means MO is a incident ray and OP is reflected ray. Then thereafter, as these 3 terms are done, we have seen angle of incidence and angle of reflection. Here which angle will be angle of incidence? Yes, right. Angle MON is angle of incidence and it is denoted by which letter? Small I. Right? Small I. We'll write here small I. And angle PON or NOP is called as angle of reflection and which is denoted by small r. Okay, this was the reflection of figure indicating the reflection of light. Remember one thing, that whenever you draw diagram, you have to label it properly and you have to give its name at the bottom of the figure, that which diagram is this. Okay, so this figure is about a reflection of light. We'll put it in a box. Then thereafter, we were likely to start these laws of reflection. So, we'll write it here. Laws of reflection. Okay, basically there are 3 laws of reflection. How many laws of reflection are there? 3 laws of reflection. The first law is the angle of incidence. angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. The first law is angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Means in the figure what you will say? Which angles are there? Angle of incidence is angle MON. Means here angle MON will be equal to angle. Which angle? Which angle is it? An angle of reflection? Angle PON. Okay. This is angle of reflection. So here angle PON. Means here we can say shortly angle I equals to angle R. Here angle I, this is I, this is angle R. So the first law tells us that angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Okay, these laws are very much important, okay, with respect to the exam point of view. So you have to remember all these three laws. Okay, clear? The first law is angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Now we will rub it. We'll go to the second law of reflection. The second law of reflection is, as we have seen the first law, the second law of reflection is the incident ray, reflected ray, and normal all lie in the same plane. Okay, which is the second law? The incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal all lie in the same plane. See here, you can see this is incident ray, MO is incident ray, NO is normal or ON is normal, whatever you can say with your convenience. Then OP is reflected ray. All these three means incident ray, reflected ray and normal. Which three? Incident ray, reflected ray and normal. They lie in the same plane. See, you can see here they are in the same plane. They all lie in the same plane. Okay, clear up to this. Then the last one, the third one and the last law of reflection, we'll see now. The third and the last law we have gone through from the starting, reflection of light, basic terms, then laws. In those laws we have seen two laws of reflection. Okay, now the third and the last law of reflection is the incident ray and reflected ray. Lie on the opposite side of the normal. The incident ray, reflected ray lie on the opposite side or of the normal. Here you can see this is normal. Okay. this is normal, means ON or NO is normal, and this incident ray MO is on this side, means as we are drawing this is on the left hand side. This is on the left hand side of this normal. Okay, and this OP is on the right hand side of the normal, right? So the third law says this only, means the incident ray, this one, and reflected ray, and this reflected ray OP lie on the opposite, they lie on the opposite side of the normal. They both lie on the, means incident ray and reflected ray lie on the opposite side of the normal. Okay, clear up to this? These were the laws of reflection. Today we have seen laws of reflection. How many laws of reflection are there? 3 laws of reflection are there. The first law is the angle of reflection, that is angle I equals to angle R, means angle of incidence equals to angle of reflection, right? Then thereafter we have seen the second law of reflection, that is the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal, or they all lie in the same plane. And the third law we have seen is the incident ray and the reflected ray lie on the opposite side of the normal. Okay, clear up to this? Now we will see a video with respect to this, then all your terms regarding these laws of reflection will be cleared. Okay, thank you. Before going, we will write homework. Then thereafter you see that video. If any queries are there, you can ask in the comment section. Okay, so today's homework is you have to write about laws of reflection. The question is, state the laws of reflection. Okay, clear? This was all up to this laws of reflection. If you have really any queries regarding this topic, means from the basic terms of reflection of light and these laws of reflection, you can ask in the comment section below. And don't forget to tell me that you really like this video, means you have already understood these terms or not. Okay, thank you.